Relay. Yes, besigibela leli bhasi ke thina sisafunda. Thembalihle Primary School, Zifuneleni Higher Primary School. We used to ride with these buses when we were going on trips. Ikhate Jo, asiya hau Jo, kia mahua Jo. Ikhate Jo, asiya hau Jo, kia mahua Jo. Hey, hey. Sasebancane ngekho mjolo bakithi kusaphuma amafinyila. Hey bakithi. Hey. Kabikho ikweleti bakithi. Sukani madoda. Hey, singazi nokuthi sazothakathwa. I respect this company. Sasekona. No, never give up in life. You see, if this company still exists, if you still see such companies still on the road, still exactly the same model of the bus in the yes. Guys, I'm speechless. But basically today, I just a clip of saying, let's not give up, guys. If such companies can be on the road, for so many years, to me, I would say for more than 40 years. Somebody else can say something else, However, I'm saying, let's hold on. If your business is not doing well now, it's not the end of the world. It's not. Don't give up. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be okay. It's a journey. It's a journey. It's really a journey. Running a business, it's a journey. It's a process. It's not an overnight kind of a situation. Things are not going well today. Goko bang lawyer. Goko, there's something that is not happening. Here's the company, same buses, all they do is to fix it. Because another thing that kills us, guys, we are quick to want to transform into a technology kind of a thing. I want a new models of buses and everything. If I see Zola Party on the road, being in a good shape and everything, I said, hands up, Thokozani. This is it. Life. I'm humbled by this company. Hands up.